That's right, YouTube. That's the start of my 2019 fireworks stash UK. It's been 10 years exactly now since my first fireworks stash. So this time I've spent about 180 pounds, maybe a bit less than that actually. I can't justify spending extreme amounts of money on fireworks. But what I can justify is getting the best, and I've done nothing but that this year. So I'm going to start out with, like I always do, as you just saw, these are the Thunder Snaps, 15 pieces, and you literally throw them down, and it makes one of the loudest noises I've ever heard for these little throwdowns. Never had them before. It's category F1 firework, one of the lowest categories you can get in the UK. Any lower than that, and you're getting on to these sparklers. I have these two packs. These are diamond sparklers, just average silver sparklers made by Standard Fireworks. And I have some of these. It's just got to be a mishmash of stuff. These are neon sparklers from a company called Classic. From Czechoslovakia, although imported to the United Kingdom. So we'll put them over there for now. On to our next bunch of stuff. Moving up a category here, category F2, which is a shot tube atomizer. I've had these over the years. I believe in maybe even last year's stash. These were £5, buy one get two free. No, £2.99. So quite a bargain really when you consider that you get 15 of them. Again, made by Bright Star Fireworks, a UK brand fireworks company. Pop them over to the side there. Moving over to one of the best rockets I've ever bought for the price. These are the Warhawk rockets. You can also get the double shots. What the piece of grass is doing there, hello. You can also get the double shot ones, but this is just a single shot. They are fantastic. This is the highest category of rocket you can get in the UK. It's a category F3. Any higher category than this, i.e. category 4, is illegal unless owned and used by professionals, as you can see there. Now, just because it's a highest category doesn't mean it's the loudest or biggest effect. It just means it falls into that category, whether it's just made it or what. There are some category F3 fireworks out there that borderline category F4. So, size of the rocket, as you can see, it's quite a decent sized stick on there. That the stick's, it's just got nothing to do with the effect. It's as you know, it's literally just there to guide it into the air. These give quite a loud burst actually, and a really good effect. These were £12.99. You get 5 in a pack, and it's buy one get two free. So we did have 15, but my temptation got to me and I had to use 2 of them. Obviously, when you're lighting fireworks, especially in a garden, it's good to find the correct angle with the rocket tube, and with fireworks of this size, it's nice to know that when you light it, it's going to go in a safe direction. Okay, next up is this rocket here. Be careful with this because, let me pause it a second. This is the Emperor rocket. as you can see, for size in comparison with that. It's a lot bigger and it's heavier as well. I mean, that weighs quite some weight. That's category F3 firework. I would say this is on the bigger scale of F3, whereas that is perhaps on the lower scale. Why am I talking about categories so much this year? Because I think it's important that people understand the different effects and distances required for fireworks. Category F2 requires 8 metres and category F3 requires 23 metres. But nice design on the rocket there. Long stick this time. Obviously there's my tube for this rocket. Moving on to my selection box this year. I call it a selection box. It's called the Armoury. 33 fireworks made by Guy Fawkes Fireworks. It's got a nice design on the box there. 1.4 grams worth of fireworks in here. It's a decent weight as well. Like it opens up there like a military crate. Okay. So, in here we get another pack of rockets, aerial attack, made by Guy Fawkes Fireworks. It's a fair amount of rockets in there. What we got? 5, 4. Nice amount. 5, 4 and 3. Again, another pack of rockets here. Sky Scramble. Six in a pack there. They should be decent little rockets. Let's have a look at the effects. Does it say on here the effects? No, it doesn't say the effects. Oh well, they should be pretty cool. Anyway, so what else have we got in here? Got cakes, plenty of cakes. These little shot tubes here. It's a double shot tube bazooka. 2 shots, just like the top there, and then bury it up to the line. I normally create some sort of holder for that, which I may do a video of separately. And another bazooka, so 8 shots there. Roman candles, I can get them. Rapid cannon. These are 8 shots each, which is a fair amount. I like Roman candles. Not necessarily loud, but colourful. Missile battery, otherwise known in the States as Saturn missile battery. Essentially, just light it. All these little ones burst up into the air, making a screaming noise, very loud, quite annoying actually. If I had to say, that's probably one of the most annoying formats of firework. I'm going to have to pause this a few times to get some of the cakes out. some reason that wasn't paused. Oh well, you've just heard heavy breathing for a couple of minutes. Hope you like what I've got here. Like I said, don't really appreciate it till you see it all in its collective, but more videos coming soon. Hope you like the Fireworks Stash 2019. Please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.